This is Charlie's Trains again. We got 4 trains going around at the same time. Got 2 on this layout, and we got 2 over here. One's coming around the bend, around the roundhouse, and coming up the mountain. There goes the other one into the mountain. They're all going into the mountain together, come out different directions. This one's going through the train bridge, all lit up. I hope everybody enjoys this video, and if you could subscribe to me at on YouTube. It's Charlie's Trains with apostrophe S, and it's 9169. And thank you for subscribing to me, and have a great day. Thank you.